Welcome to La Vida Rosa. I'm your host Pinky, and today I'm going to show you how I got this cute heatless blowout afro. But before we get into it, I would like for everyone to check out my website, La Vida Rosa Style, where you can find these cute little earrings and more. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So without further ado, let's get into this video. I'm going to be beginning with freshly washed and conditioned hair. And I'm basically going to be dividing my hair into 6 sections. Next, I'm going to take the Cantu and I'm going to apply a generous amount to this section, making sure it's evenly covered. Then I'm going to take some Jamaican black castor oil and do the same thing. I want it to be pretty much coated with the Cantu and then the oil. Then I'm going to take a wide tooth comb and make sure that section is detangled. Next, I'm going to take some snapless ponytail holders, and I'm going to take one and basically make a ponytail as tight as I can, but make sure you're not pulling on the edges or anything like that too tight, but you do want it to have like a nice little grip. And once I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and braid that hair in that section. Next, I'm going to take another ponytail holder and basically wrap it around the end of the braid to basically just hold it tight. And then I'm going to repeat those same steps to my other sections. And once they are done, they'll look something like this. And can't you see my roots look so just juicy and shiny? So I let it dry for like a day. And here I am taking them down by removing the ponytail holders first. Being careful not to rip any hair out. You want to be careful about that. So next, I'm just going to take the braid down. And once the braid is fully down, it's going to look like a braid out. So I'm going to take a wide tooth comb and just comb through each section basically. And the hair is already detangled, so it should be fairly easy to comb through. And throughout the entire process, you're going to be combing out, but you're going to be fluffing as well. And if you notice on my comb, I literally have no shed hair in my comb at all. And that's because no hair is coming out. I just wanted to make that known because I was a little worried about my hair coming out and it just wasn't. So at this point, I'm going to take a pick and just pick my hair out, fluff it. Basically, I'm starting from the roots and then I'm going to move out and shape with my hands. And voila, I have a huge heatless blowout fro. And I think this is perfect for anyone who wants to take their fro to the next level. Maybe it's a little bit smaller than you like and you want it to be bigger. I totally recommend this, and my hair completely feels moisturized. It's fluffy and it flows. I love it. So let me know what you guys think down below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.